I have got list of things which I have benefited. So I have noted it down. If you want, I
Oh,
can.
wow.
Yeah. So like it has given me more confidence and
Okay.
now better self-expression, and my digestion and sleep both have improved, and better person now. I try to be calm. Now I'm calm, as well as I have a better sleep. That is very important, because generally I
Mm.
used to get up in the night, and for 1 hour, 2 hour, I keep on moving here or there. But now I am able to sleep. Maybe I complete the sleep in 5 to 6 hours, the sleep of 8 hours. So that is better for me. And I am doing it regularly in the morning. And I'm thankful to you, Neha ji, for when I joined, I was not so confident that I will be able to do, but now I am inclined to do it, maybe whenever the time is there as per the plan. So I am thankful to you as well as to the team who is working with me. So thank you once again. I have a query, but I can ask afterwards. Thank you.
No worries, no worries. Thank you so much, Rajiv ji. Thank you so much for sharing. I guess everyone can type congratulations to Rajiv ji because becoming calm and relaxed and becoming more confident and sleep improvement, that is also a very big thing. You're slowly moving towards achieving that, right?
Yes, yes.
Right. Okay. So keep going and more power to you. Okay.
Thank you.
Chalo. Thank you. Thank you so much.